Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, founder and CEO of UpKeep. In this video, we'll be spotlighting a remarkable woman and her significant contributions to the skilled trades industry. You'll hear an inspiring story about overcoming challenges, advocating for equality, and turning passion into a successful career. Plus, we'll reveal how she is also playing a vital role in our own UpKeep community. So let's begin. March is a special month. It's Women's History Month, a time when we honor the contributions of women to American history. The National Women's History Alliance has declared the theme for 2023 as Celebrating Women Who Tell Our Stories. And today, we're doing just that. We're celebrating and spotlighting DeIla Ray. DeIla is not just any woman. She's a female welder who has used her voice and creativity to share stories that educate, inspire, and advocate for women in the skilled trades. DeIla is an inspiring advocate for women in trades, and her work hasn't gone unnoticed. In fact, she's been recognized by empowering women in industry with honors for her work. In 2020, she was awarded Tradeswoman of the Year. Recently, she also received the 2022 Mentor of the Year and the 2022 Industry Advocacy Awards. DeIla shares, "Being a woman in the trades industry, I didn't fit the typical mold of a pipe welder, but I never allowed that to hold me back. Now, my husband, who complements my work as a pipe fitter, and I have begun taking on business of our own." Currently, DeIla is a welding instructor at the Hart Career Center in Mexico, Missouri, and also runs her own small business, Alpha Duo, LLC. She's proactively sharing her passion for welding and the real-life experiences she had faced in the field. Before starting her business in 2022, DeIla spent a decade as a traveling pipe welder. She's worked across the United States at compressor stations, pre- and post-ethanol, food processing and water treatment, and wastewater treatment facilities. She's earned certifications from the American Welding Society and the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Through her knowledge and experiences, she's aiming her passion for welding at the youth, hoping to show students the pride in skilled trades. But that's not all. DeIla has also generously partnered with UpKeep to help us create our custom awards for MVP winners within our team. Each quarter, the Mission, Vision, and Purpose Award is given to one previous Leader of the Month who most exemplified UpKeep's core values last quarter and had a direct impact on the people in our internal and external community. We are deeply grateful for DeIla making this moment extra special for our MVPs with her custom welded trophy. As Candace Ray, an MVP award winner, puts it, "Being appreciated by your company is an amazing feeling, but having them go out of their way to make you a custom trophy and have it not only be the most amazing trophy ever, but you also share the same last name as the awesome female who made this amazing piece of work was the cherry on top. Nailed it." DeIla is an inspiring and motivational woman who continues to help push skilled trades into a better place. Like DeIla, we've seen many more women and groups continue to break the barriers and influence the metal fabrication industry in many ways. We hope to continue sharing these stories, experiences, and resources to pass on the gifts of trades while empowering women and younger generations that there are no boundaries to what they can do. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for joining us as we celebrated the achievements of DeIla Ray and her contributions to the skilled trades industry. We hope you found her story as inspiring as we did. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about UpKeep and our mission, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, your support helps us continue to share these amazing stories. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.